In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload your website on GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and under your products, find web hosting section. Locate hosting plan for the website you want to upload. Next to hosting plan, click on Manage button and in the hosting account dashboard, find Tools section and click on File Manager to launch it. In the File Manager you will see various folders. The main folder where you need to upload your website files is usually called public HTML. If you're using WordPress, you want to replace it with custom website. Make sure public HTML folder is clear of unnecessary files or WordPress installations and ensure your website files are ready to upload. It's best to compress them into zip file if you have multiple files and folders. Click on Upload button in the File Manager, browse and select zip file or individual files you want to upload. And if you upload zip file, you will need to unzip it in the public HTML directory. If you had previous website, you may need to delete those files first or ensure that they don't conflict with your new site. Once files are uploaded, open your browser and navigate to your domain to ensure everything is working as expected.